Young Bollywood celebrities who donated money. Sara Ali Khan. Sara Ali Khan is the youngest Bollywood celebrity who has come forward for her nation in this time of crisis. Sara has contributed an undisclosed amount to Prime Minister's CARES Fund and Maharashtra's Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Kartik Aaryan. Kartik Aaryan is a young Bollywood actor who is in the industry since past few years. The actor has donated a huge amount of 1 crore rupees to Prime Minister's CARES Fund. Bhumi Pednekar. Bhumi Pednekar is just several movies old in Bollywood and she already has few hits under her name. This Bollywood actress has donated an undisclosed amount for the daily wage workers of the country. Vicky Kaushal. Bollywood heartthrob Vicky Kaushal, a young actor, recently took his social media to announce about his donation. The actor has donated a huge amount of 1 crore rupees to PM's CARES Fund and Maharashtra Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Alia Bhatt. One of the leading actresses of Bollywood, Alia Bhatt, is very young now. This young actress has donated an undisclosed amount to PM CARES Fund and to Maharashtra Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Ayushmann Khurrana. Talented Bollywood actor Ayushmann Khurrana took his Twitter account to announce about his contribution. The actor donated an undisclosed amount to PM CARES Fund and also contributed for daily wage workers. Kiara Advani. The actress in her Twitter account shared about her contribution of an undisclosed amount for the daily wage workers. Varun Dhawan. The Bollywood actor has donated a huge amount of 30 lakhs to Prime Minister's CARES Fund. Varun Dhawan also donated 25 lakhs to Maharashtra Chief Minister's Relief Fund in this tough time. Taapsee Pannu. This Bollywood actress announced about her contribution for the daily wage workers of India in her Twitter account. Rajkumar Rao. Talented actor Rajkumar Rao has donated for PM Relief Fund, Maharashtra CM's Relief Fund and also the Zomato Feeding India movement. The actor also pledged to donate for the daily wage workers of the Indian cinema who are jobless now as the shooting are closed. Kriti Sanon. Kriti took her Twitter handle to announce about her contribution during this tough time. Kriti Sanon has donated an undisclosed amount for the daily wage workers as they are now left without any income because of the nationwide shutdown. Siddharth Malhotra. This Bollywood actor has also contributed an undisclosed amount for the daily wage workers of our nation in this tough time. Yami Gautam. Gorgeous actress Yami Gautam has also donated an undisclosed amount for the worst affected daily wage workers. Rakul Preet Singh. This bubbly actress of Bollywood has donated undisclosed amount for the daily wage workers of our country. Sonakshi Sinha. Sonakshi has also contributed undisclosed amount for the daily wage workers who are worst affected by the shutdown. Varun Sharma. This actor has contributed an undisclosed amount for the daily wage cine workers of the industry.
Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.